So it was an absolute privilege for me to chair the Young Investigator Meeting with my colleagues from around the world, and we had fantastic presentations from the young investigators. I must say that all the presentations were great, and we saw very good biological data, primarily looking at some of the interesting translational markers in Richter syndrome, and then there was very good talk on AID expression leading to leukemogenesis, and that model was very, very interesting to see. I'm not going to talk about the details of the individual presentation, but they were all very well presented. The boot camps was the first time we introduced in this Young Investigator Meeting, and this was a new concept where we asked our young investigators to divide into three groups. There was a biology boot camp, there was a translational boot camp, and there was a clinical boot camp, and that meant that everybody who had different interests can go into different groups. And the people who came to our group with the translational side were very engaged and essentially enjoyed the whole process of listening to their presentations. At the end, what we introduced was showing us our careers, where they are, and how we developed as a translational researchers, and gave them tips how to take it forward. So both Matt and myself did that, and then we were joined by Stefan, who is a fantastic translational researcher, and he gave his view how to take it forward. I must say it went down very well, and I'm hopeful that the feedback from the people who participated in the boot camp is also good. So I hope to see the feedback and see how we can take it forward to the next iwCLL.